You know, it seems like every day I turn on the news, I see one injustice after another. Wrongs that cannot be righted. Fortunately, Imperial Wrestling Entertainment, that's a whole different kind of beast. You see, this Sunday at Campus Clash, in front of my hometown, my friends, my fans, I take the two toughest men in IWE into war with me. Those two men being Rex Havoc, and if they reinstate him, Benjamin Brody, Huss. And who do we have? We have Team Ratings, or as I like to call them, Team Injustice. We have the man that I've spilled blood with in rings all over this country, James Dillinger. We have the undefeated Ricky Cartier. And we have the mountain of a man, Apocalypse. And who do we have pulling all of those puppet strings? We have Craig Stossel in their corner. Well, you know something? It doesn't matter, because Team Ratings, Team Injustice, you're gonna meet Team Bad Blood, and you're gonna meet us this Sunday. Campus Clash 2015, welcome to my nightmare.